Yeah, I'm here. Pero pabalik na rin Manila. Andito lang po sa airport. Kain po. Sleep well, hindi kami pwede makalabas eh, cause transit flight yung sa amin. So, here lang kami sa airport. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looks good. Sarap na to. Ba't di pa kayo natutulog? Anong oras na? Yeah, it's samosa. Samosa? Samosa? Good. Vegetable samosa. Ano pa ngayon guys dito? 7-Eleven. 7 p.m. Di ako nakasama kasi I had a tentative schedule sa date na nag-fly sila to Korea. So, hindi ako makakommit. Pero sabi ko, bawi na lang ako next time. With high honors. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. Why are you in Bahrain? Ano lang po, transit. From Saudi to Bahrain. From Dammam to Bahrain, Bahrain to Manila. So, we're stuck here for 8 hours. Pero, malapit na rin flight namin. I'm eating lang sa lounge. Oh, you're in Bahrain din. Parang walang carrot sa Manila, no? Anyways, andito na yung pasta. Kainin ko na yung pasta. Sa Dammam, dun kasi yung airport. Tapos, it's like almost an hour drive from to Alcobar, kung saan kami nagstay since 2 days ago or yesterday. Kasi nag-perform kami sa Alcobar sa Your Passport to the World. What time right now? 7:14 p.m. Here sa Bahrain. Miss you too. Yeah, I know. It's 12:14 a.m. na dyan, diba? Congrats, Ruby! Anyway, I'll eat the pasta now. It's chicken Alfredo. Ta-da! Itadakimasu. That's good. Gutom din yung hair ko. Guys, I'll end my live now so I can eat in peace. Dami yung tanong eh. Is that in Bahrain, Valaris Filipino Resto? Yung nyo? Yung restaurant nyo? Kaso we're stuck here sa airport eh. We really can't go out. So, sayang. Next time. Bye guys.